Yo, yo, yo. What's good, family? We'll get started in the next, say, 5 to 6 minutes. For those who's just joining, we we get started in about 10 minutes. Um, Type of one, or just let me know if y'all can hear me loud and clear. Comment in the chat. Hope yeah, had a nice little day. But let's make some money. Make some money. In the first couple minutes, we'll be going over a recap of last night trades that I called out on the live call last night. See how that went. Also, I might start sending them to the chat. The only reason why I don't is because I want more people to actually come in live, so they can learn, and also take some of the trades that are called. Those who join are getting the benefits of being in the trades that we're in, which are day trades. Um, I'm more of a swing trader, but I can do both. I just use separate accounts. I have a swing trading account, and then I have a make things a lot easier. That way, I won't tie up a lot of capital, especially when I'm in swing trades and trying to use the same account. Take a couple day trades. Don't want to tie up profits. Not even profits, just my capital. Other than that, can y'all hear me loud and clear? No. And these calls normally are for a good 40 minutes to an hour. For those who are new, I set limit orders. But what we do is we find the best couple of setups, and you know we see which ones weighs the best for us, and we take those. Um, I set limit orders, so once I find the three that I like the most, I set my limit orders and call it a night. I wake up either in profit, TP hit, or was a losing trade. So yeah, no, I don't really look at the charts that much unless I'm practicing, which is back testing or looking to get in some live trades. Other than that, I'm probably on the charts, minus the back testing, about 40 minutes to an hour, 2 hours tops, and that's around this time when I'm day trading, and then in the morning when I'm looking for swing setups for the week. Really on Sundays, honestly. So I'm on the charts minimum 2 hours a day. Just that, and I add in like an extra hour whenever I decide to backtest. But other than that, how is everyone night going so far? Let me know who's all in here. Also, if you have a pair that you would like me to look at, feel free to comment. I already have my pairs that I look at when I'm day trading around this time. So I already had those. You can see those on the my chart. Other than that, if you have a pair that you'd like me to look at or anything, feel free to comment that pair down below. And for those who are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My bad. Join the nation. I also have a free Telegram chat where I send out trades that I'm looking to get in. Is it? I give us about another 6 minutes. Another 6 minutes. Let a few more people join before we get started. And when y'all do take these trades, don't try to over leverage. I don't win 100% of the times. I'm not about to sit up here and lie. I do lose here and there. But you know, my risk management, the way it's set up, one or two losses is not going to affect me. Even if I do lose two times in a row, my reward to risk ratio is pretty sick. 3-to-1, 2-to-1s or better. And look for high probability setups, as you will see when you're watching me. Easy money to be made. But yeah. But talk to me. Let me know what pairs y'all would like me to look at before we get started. Feel free to comment that right now. Also, how's you guys' night? How's that going for y'all? What's your favorite pairs to trade? Talk to me. Let me get to know who I'm. Who's in here. Favorite pairs? How long y'all been trading for? Things of that. Getting started in 6 minutes. Also, I can do this really quick too. So, something I want to go ahead and add in is like news and stuff of that sort. It doesn't really bother me. I don't really trade the news or try to trade the news, but news really just speeds up what is already going to happen. XRPBIT. Okay, I like that. But yeah, news pretty much speeds up what was already going to happen in the market. So we just find a place for a buy and a sell and go from there. I got to start thinking like banks and institutions. Think like the big money. Buy low, sell high. Think like that. And I'm gonna say this in every video, every live call, every recorded call. I don't care. I want this drilled into people's head. When they think of trading, they think of this the same way you buy and sell in the markets. The same way you buy and sell in real life should be the same way you buy and sell in the markets. Buy at wholesale, sell at retail. So when it's a downtrend, you're looking to buy, looking for a good place to buy. Why would you be looking to sell after a decline in price? It doesn't make sense. Same way with a rally. Why are we looking to buy after a rally in price? Looking for a sale. That's when it's, when it's too expensive to get in and everybody thinking buy, you should be thinking sell. When everybody thinking sell, when it's cheap, imagine a pair of Concord 11s for $10. So the 2000 release. What you gonna do? Sell it? You gonna sell it some more, or are you gonna try to buy it? Buy and hold. I mean, so same way you buy and sell in real life should be the same way you buy and sell in a market. But people toss that out, and they want to wait until a trend is, has already taken off. It's an uptrend. Just think like that. No matter your trading style, you always want to think opposite of how everyone else is thinking, and also ignore the noise. Ignore the noise. Honestly, stop. I was one of those starting off, and a bunch of different signals chat and this and that, and this person and that person saying buy, and them over there saying sell. It confuses you. You're not gonna be successful like that, honestly. Tune out the noise and focus on you, your growth, and it's just you and the charts. Don't care what nobody's saying on Twitter. Everybody can be calling to buy. I'm gonna be looking for somewhere to sell. Same way with a sell. Everybody can be saying, you know, stock market or gold and things like that is going to sell to a certain level. I'm going to look for somewhere to buy. I want to get in before everybody else with minimum risk and high reward. So we can start off with XRP BIT. XRP Bitcoin. Bet. Panthers, what's good, boss man? Anybody else got any pairs y'all like me to look at? Feel free to comment it in the chat. Our first pair be XRP BIT. Get started in about 2 minutes. But yeah, talk to me. Don't have me talking to myself. I don't bite. But yeah, I had to go on a little rant for y'all. I'll probably do that every time. You're 30? Cool. I see y'all like your 30. Dirty 30? Oh, that's US 30 right there. Dirty 30. US 30 do you 30. But yeah, I got y'all. So XRPBIT, you're 30. Do anyone else have any other pairs that they would like me to look at? I have my set of pairs that I'd be already looking at. So don't mind that. We have some setups, and this is pre-London session. Day trading. So we get started in about a minute. That's pretty much it. How long have y'all been trading for? Cool. So I'm gonna start off with the dollar. Every time I come in the chart, you'll realize that I always start off with DXY, the dollar index. Reason being is because and I know I trade GBP, but I also trade gold, S&P 500, and US 30 as well. And for those who are looking to get in for, like, for instance, UJ, you always want to look for, where the dollar is heading to, or if the dollar is into like a demand zone. Those who are new, I trade supply and demand. Not gonna get too much into that, but back to what I was saying. When the dollar is into a demand zone and you have gold into a supply zone, or USD JPY into a demand zone, that just gives me extra confirmation to get into a buy. It's an edge in the market that I like to use. The dollar index is into a supply zone and Euro USD is into a demand zone. I'm going to buy Euro USD. Higher odds of me winning that trade. So I always start off with the dollar. But we do have the dollar into a demand zone. And that's all I trade. I don't use trend lines. I don't use indicators, nothing. It's just me, the chart, supply and demand. I don't read candle. I know how to read candlesticks. I don't care about candlestick patterns or anything. Don't care. Doesn't matter. But yeah, the dollar. This is the 4 hour, but it's into a daily one. So it's into a daily demand zone. So that it's not gonna really bother us as much for day trading. Second, so I'm looking for a supply zone that's closest to price. I have something here. This is called a gap, which rarely happens in forex market. Second, and if y'all have any questions or anything, feel free to ask. Go down to 15. Here, see if I can find a demand. 5 minutes. I have something. I'll mark lower. I wouldn't be surprised if price fall through that. Not really near. Dollar can probably continue to sell. Base. So I'm gonna do a recap really quick. All right, so this was gold. I ended up popping in this after I said I wasn't. Setup was just looking too nice. This was a nice trade setup. The only thing I didn't like, so I went in conservative, and I said if you do hop in this gold trade last night, go in risking less than what you normally risk because we're near. Well, it was coming out of a daily demand zone, but trade still worked out in our favor. Nice little profit. What was it? About 103 pips, I believe. I think I'm calculating, and I'm not. So 103 pips. Great win, great win. So we had that there. I don't really think I see nothing else for gold for a minute. So we get back up here. So have this here. Uh, this I don't like because it is wick. Let's go for you. About 40 pips. Have this. About a 2 to 1. And I'm gonna get to y'all's. I'm gonna do a quick recap. So that was this. Um, the U.S. S&P 500 worked out 1 hour. Great, and we also had this here. So could have took a little bit more on this and then wrote it back up. But overall, this was through and through. Great trade. Both ways. Both ways. Good money right there. Also for US 30 as well. Same thing. So you really can't. That was what 3 wins right there. We went 6 out of 2, 6 wins, 2 losses. So I called eight trades left. If you took the buy back up for S&P and US 30, you pretty much down for the week. That's not fresh. But we're gonna get back to this. We have a bunch of. Not even gonna take these because I want price to fall some more. So price fall. This trade we ended up losing. Bad. Was one of the losses. This was the indice loss. That there. Right, cool. Probably lower time. I mean, yeah, lower time frames. Like I said, can't win them all, honestly. GBP USD here. Great setup. 15-minute time. So there. And for y'all who may be asking, like, what is the difference between a gray box and a yellow box? Yellow box just mean it's a great setup through and through, great location, great structure. And then a gray box just means that it's a great structure, but the location we're in is not so good. And that just means we're in a novice space. Novice space is basically where price traded at for most of the time. So yeah, in case y'all was wondering. But yeah, this was a great trade setup. Well, 4 wins and 1 loss. DJ as well. I did not call that out. So, but you had this here, this buy, and this is why you want to be disciplined. Yeah, price went further, but hopefully I can show you an example to where price hit your target and then turn back around and continue to sell past your entry and stop loss. But this is why you always want to be disciplined. Get in and get out. Don't be greedy. But yeah, GA was a loss. So that was this was the only other loss we had for the night, but just that gold trade made up for both losses. Nice little win. And this is a perfect example of why you don't want to be greedy. Get in and get out. As you can see, price went a little further and then turn back around and would have hit you out. And that's how you mess up your emotion. Because then it's like, damn, I should have just took my profits. But we do have this here, and I'll get back to that in just a second. But 30 minutes profit. And I'll give y'all a second to write this down, and then or screenshot it or whatever. And then I will head over to XRP, Ripple, Bitcoin, and then we get to your 30. And for those who are just joining, feel free to comment a pair that you'd like me to look at. I pretty much have the pairs that I'm looking at. And if I don't find much or I'll find setups that I actually feel confident in, then I won't take a trade. Always remember that no trade is also a good trade as well. But 5 minutes. Yeah, easy. Just a second. Start off 30 minutes. And I'm gonna go back to GCAT really quick, so I can also before I forget. Another thing y'all want to get used to is setting alerts. That way it can remind you about that trade to where you can start paying attention to it or letting you know that you've been entered in on the trade. That was supposed to be this profit. Boom. Go back to you can actually put this here. I like this better. For 1 hour. So 18 pip stop loss, about 37 pip take profit. Second. What pair is this? GBP CAD. Wait, is this XRP? I'm putting it in pause. Oh, is it B? I don't see. Is it XRP BTC instead? Isn't BIT is big Bitcoin Cash or something like that? It is, but I don't see XRP. Panther. Yeah, see, I don't see XRP, so it must be that's what you're talking about. Hold on. I don't know if you're in here. Alright. Say that it is XRP BTC. Trying to see if I see. I don't really see anything. I don't really see. The only thing I can tell you is go to some type of technical analysis. Give me a second. Wait to wait. Looking like it's ready to buy. It said a buy stop about there. Stop loss. Go for about a 2. This is totally different. Even have it here where price broke, so it looks like already. Honestly, if you want to make it less riskier, I don't call market execution. I don't like market executions, but this is, you know, crypto, so which you can honestly just buy now. It's less riskier that way. It'd be something like this. Something like this, where you have bigger profit margin. Enter in here. That you're risking like. Cause I don't see any demands or supply zones that's fresh near price. Oh yeah, that's that on that. And all you gotta do is take a 3 to 1, 2 to 1, take a 2 to 1 or a 3 to 1. This makes more sense. Get in and get out, or you can just buy and hold, making it more of an investment. So that's it's just up to you. Treat it like a stock, buy and hold honestly. So you're 30. We can get to your 30. We lost that first trade, but this is the one that I said I like the most. Last night made more sense. How far back we had to go. Shorts. Do here because I don't really care about this. So if you look over here, this is your stop loss, your entry, and then blue is your take profit. You can just screenshot that. You know what? I just do quick. Just 13, 2, 3, 4. Stop loss 35 and TP 5.2. Here is 30. Okay. Copy. I think I do it like that more often. Go ahead and copy that in that. We get to US 30 in just a second. X. Pair. GPP. NZG. 1.9015. Stop loss. 1.9. Five. A. Copy. All right, so we have that. You have something. Oh, never mind. Never mind. USD JPY. USD JPY. 16. So give me a second. Gotta go way up. I mean, I have something here. I see. Uh, There. JPY. 04. Stop loss. 104.666. TP is 4.48. That's USD JPY for the sale. A little bit more recent. So this is, and I also have a buy limit already placed. I'm ready to go. 1 hour time frame. This is already in the chat, so gotta scroll up to find it. Yeah, we already have this buy here. Right now we're looking for a daily set. Right? 15, 5. Nothing near price, honestly, besides that there. So that's up there for you, Jay. For those who are just now joining, if you have a pair that you would like me to look at, feel free to comment it in the chat. Hold on, let me read this really quick. That's all right. So I know this here. Let me just a second, guys. Second. All right. Really quick. This is a movie we're waiting for. Uh, Wait, what is this code? Oh, that's lower. Say. So we have the 8. This is have to do diagnostic test really quick for code. Think what am I supposed to XAU USD here XAU USD entry 1793.48 1799. Where my swing trades, I have not taken a swing trade yet. But that market ain't really been moving like that. That's why you gotta be versatile. You feel versatile. Ain't just into one thing. You gotta learn how to like day trading. Day trading is a little bit more fun. Well, yeah, because like driving a stick when you day trading. I ain't never drove a stick, but that's what they tell me. Fun driving a stick, so but yeah. You have this here. And I scan through the markets pretty much and find supply and demand zone for each of these pairs. And then I look and see which ones have the high probability of, me winning the trade more likely. So about 3 to 4 trades that I look to take day trading. Most of the time, price is nowhere near entry. So normally just set it and forget it. I have these for US 30, these buys. Let's sell. Oh, here. Let's see something. I wouldn't be surprised if it's already here. So what I'm gonna do is I believe this is S&P all-time high, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this is the all-time. See how prices 5 and then we'll see what happens. I'm not about to take. I would be surprised if you decide this. I can get. I'm gonna just do this for US 30. I'm always say this: if you don't have about 1,000 in your account, I wouldn't suggest you take this. Just it'll do you dirty. Help you. What I'm gonna do is a buy. Have this, but I don't like how it I look. Have this. Nothing for that. 30. E. More than likely gonna buy through the this one. Love this one right here. This money making right. 30 minutes. Profit. Six. Six. How's everybody night going so far? Y'all can talk to me. Comment a pair, comment pairs. You don't have to just comment one pair. What pairs do y'all like? There. Stop loss. 1.799. 3997. Take profit. 0.8054. We have that. JPY. Tree. Pause. But you can either take, you can choose the three that you feel most confident about, or you can take all five of them. But what I recommend is, going and risking less than what you normally risk. I'm talking percentage wise. So like if you're risking 1% on these trades, if you're gonna take all five of them, go a little lower than that. But yeah, we do have this. That's pretty much it. That's literally doesn't take that much for me to um, analyze the charts. Now we set our alerts, set our limit orders. You can, if you like watching the charts all night, so be it. Me personally, I just set my limit orders and rest for the rest of the night. Whatever happens when I wake up happens. That also get rid of, your emotions playing a big part. Where you getting out of trades early, or you get greedy and try to hold trades. If it's gonna win, it's gonna win. If you're asleep, so you win, you lose, you lose. But imagine waking up and your trades hit TP, 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 boom. That'd be a great day for you. But also, you gotta learn to eliminate your emotions. Whether you win, lose, or draw, you pretty much gotta be like a robot to the market. So it's okay to celebrate wins here and there, but it's always, let's get ready for the next trade. Act like you've been here before, basically. That's what my coach used to tell us. Act like you've been here before. So act like you're already used to winning. This ain't nothing. So every trade I feel like it's gonna win when I'm looking for setups. So get to it. Y'all don't have any more pairs for me to look at, or y'all don't have any questions, this would be it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I do have a Telegram chat that you can join. It's free, where I also send out swing trades. I don't really go live with swing trades. That's for members only. And I send a few swing trades out to the group, but what's free is these live calls that I have on YouTube. Make sure you support me, subscribe to the channel. Also, I'll be uploading more educational videos. The first one was risk management. Reason being is that's like one of the biggest factors to your success in this game of trading. So make sure you watch that risk management video. The next video I'll probably drop is how to calculate your proper lot sizes, so you can become more aware of what lot sizes you should be using. You can't tell yourself or tell the markets, I'm willing to risk this amount, X amount of pips, or this amount, and have your stop loss in the middle of nowhere. So I'll teach y'all how to calculate your lot sizes, that sort. So proper risk management is a big factor. But yeah, like I said, this would be the end for this call. If y'all don't have any more questions or pairs that y'all would like me to look at, that'll be it for this. Like I said, make sure you like this video, subscribe, join the Telegram chat. Welcome to the family. I'll more than likely be doing live sessions Sunday through Thursday night. So just stay tuned. It'll be around 11 o'clock. Most of the time it'll be around like 11:30, 11:40. But yeah, join the chat, subscribe, and I appreciate y'all for being on. Let's make some money, and peace. I'll see y'all tomorrow.